In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable dark mode on Google Chrome, a task that may sound a bit complex at first, but is actually quite straightforward. Stick with me, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. First, let's start by opening the Chrome browser on your computer. Once you're in Chrome, you'll want to take a look at the top of your window and find that little three-dot icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of your browser. It's part of Chrome's menu, the place where you'll find most of the settings you need to customize your browsing experience. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu full of options for you to explore. In this menu, find the Settings option, which should be located toward the bottom. Click on Settings and you'll be taken to a new tab. The Settings tab is your home base for Chrome's customization options. Within this page, look to the left-hand side for a section called Appearance. Click on Appearance to go deeper into Chrome's visual settings. Once you're in the Appearance settings, you'll be faced with a variety of options that allow you to tweak how your browser looks. Now, focus your attention on the Turn Off Dark Mode toggle. This is where you can control whether Chrome displays in its traditional light mode or the newer dark mode. You'll notice a toggle or option that either says Enabled next to dark mode or presents you with a checkbox. If you prefer Chrome in light mode, you're going to want to turn this toggle off. Click on the toggle or uncheck the box to disable dark mode. Once you've toggled it off, you should immediately see the change reflected. Your browser should now switch back to a traditional light mode, giving you a clearer, brighter look that some people find easier on the eyes during daytime use. That's really all it takes to switch out of dark mode. It's a simple process, but finding the right setting can be a little elusive without guidance. Remember, if you ever want to return to dark mode for late-night browsing or you're a fan of the darker aesthetic, you can easily follow these same steps to turn it back on. To wrap up, disabling dark mode in Google Chrome just requires navigating through the Settings menu, finding the Appearance section, and toggling off the dark mode option. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now much more comfortable navigating your browser's settings. Keep these steps in mind and you'll have complete control over how your Chrome browser looks and feels. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.